The Galaxy Watch Ultra, which Samsung has finally released, has many new features but also includes certifications such as the military standard 810G and the IP6810 ATM. That does, however, imply that you should be able to handle it. Is it possible to dive with it? To put it briefly, the IP68 designation indicates that the gadget is not only dust-proof, meaning that dust cannot possibly get inside and harm its components, but it can also resist being submerged in water for up to 30 minutes at a depth of up to 1.5 meters, or 5 feet. In case you are unaware, the IP reading consists of two small numbers. The first one represents the degree of protection against solid objects, with 6 being the highest level. The second one denotes the degree of protection against water, including fresh water, salt water, chemical waters, and no beverages or hot water. You may then be asking yourself, what is this 10 ATM rating? This indicates that the Galaxy Watch Ultra has a 10-minute water pressure tolerance, or the equivalent of being submerged for 100 meters or 330 feet. You can go diving with it, of course. Furthermore, this device's real operating temperature ranges from -4 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. A gadget must pass a number of tests, including one that measures its resistance to water, shock, vibration, and extreme temperatures, in order to be classified as robust and durable, according to the military standard 810G grade. Nevertheless, this is intended to cover more ground than just water resistance. And lastly, is it watertight? Well, no, all of the handling devices, be they watches or phones, are water-resistant but not waterproof. Contrary to popular belief, waterproof gadgets are truly entirely immune to water and can be used continuously without suffering damage. That implies that the typical splashes, the rain, and similar precipitation won't have any effect whatsoever on this watch. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.